We are looking at a fundamental shift in how artificial intelligence agents are engineered right now. We're talking about NVIDIA's Object-Oriented Agents, or NOAA for short. This framework is a complete departure from disjointed text prompts, moving us directly into native code execution.
Here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The agent has object paradigm. 2. Interface capabilities. 3. The CodeAct agent loop. 4. Long-term memory architecture. And 5. Empirical benchmark analysis. Let's get right into it.
Section 1. The agent as object paradigm.
So the fundamental bottleneck with standard agent development is fragmentation, right? You've got prompts over here, schemas over there, and these messy execution graphs trying to tie it all together. Standard frameworks suffer from massive serialization bottlenecks, where live program state has to be converted into text, sent to the LLM, and parsed back. NOOA eliminates this entire headache by transitioning to native Python abstractions. Agents are literally live Python classes, their capabilities are methods, and the LLM operates directly on in-memory objects via pass-by reference. No more stringifying your entire application state.
Take a look at this class implementation. Notice the method definitions here. If a method has a standard code body, it runs deterministically, exactly like normal Python. But if the method body is just an ellipsis, literally just 3 dots, NOAA intercepts it at runtime and hands control over to an LLM-driven loop. The type annotations act as strict execution contracts, and the standard Python docstrings serve as the prompt. It's incredibly clean.
Moving to Section 2. 6 interface capabilities.
NOOA entirely drops bespoke domain-specific languages in favor of 6 native Python capabilities. We get strongly typed input and output. We get pass-by reference over live objects. We have code as action, meaning the model actually writes Python instead of just generating JSON tool calls. We get programmable loop engineering using standard control flow, explicit object state right on the class fields, and model callable harness APIs that give the agent direct programmatic access to its own context and history.
Because inputs are live objects, prompt engineering finally becomes actual software engineering. You are no longer crossing your fingers and praying that a fragile text parser doesn't break. You're passing live, strictly typed variables. It's a total game changer for testing and refactoring.
Section 3. The CodeAct agent loop. The execution pipeline follows a really strict 5-step read-eval print loop, or REPL. It renders the context, calls the LLM, executes the generated Python, updates the object state, and then strictly validates the return type. And here's the kicker. If the validation fails, it just feeds that Python error right back to the model and continuously loops until the type contract is satisfied.
Step 1 of that loop is absolutely crucial. Before the LLM is even called, NOAA renders bounded previews and explicit state into the model's context window. It neatly separates this into static blocks, like your system prompts, an event history of the execution trace, and dynamic blocks, like a to-do list or specific fields on the self-object that update in real time as the state changes.
When the LLM actually decides to act, it writes real Python code. This executes in a restricted Jupyter-like session where NOA directly injects the live agent as self into the local environment. Because it's native Python, the LLM can use await for asynchronous concurrency, it can inspect live objects using standard functions, and it can print bounded previews. The model is exploring the environment programmatically, exactly the way a human developer would in a terminal.
Section 4. Long-term memory architecture. Check out this mapping of the memory subsystem architecture. You can see how 7 specific model-callable tools interact with a single SQLite store and a derived vector index. The agent actively curates its own memory here. It is not just some passive background vector search process.
What's really fascinating here is the cognitive grounding of the system. Memory retrieval isn't just a basic cosine similarity check. It's ranked by ACTR activation. That means it calculates relevance, recency, and importance, while factoring in Ebbinghaus decay so the database doesn't just bloat endlessly with useless data. The system balances spontaneous recall, which injects context silently, with deliberate recall, where the agent uses tools to query specific data. Plus, these memories hold typed references that resolve against live state, seamlessly extending that pass-by reference concept into long-term persistence.
Section 5. Empirical benchmark analysis.
So, the big question. Can models actually understand this native object abstraction without bespoke, specialized training? The answer is a resounding yes. Frontier models exhibit near-perfect fluency with the NOA interface out of the box. Look at this. GPT 5.5 achieved a literal 100% pass rate across these integration tests. This proves modern LLMs inherently understand how to manipulate live Python objects, write executable cells, and return strongly typed values.
Breaking down the Terminal Bench 2.0 results, we see NORA providing strict performance advantages over frameworks like OpenCore and NumPy. Pay special attention to the data in the reasoning off columns. When the model's internal reasoning effort is low, NORA significantly outperforms the others. This strongly suggests that NORA's explicit object state, typed actions, and clean loop behavior actively substitute for the planning discipline that stronger models usually have to generate all on their own.
Moving over to SWE Bench and the Pareto frontier. Here, NOOA achieves an incredible 82.2% pass rate with GPT 5.5 at extra high reasoning. It effectively redefines the accuracy cost frontier against its competitors. But honestly, the real story here is the sheer token efficiency.
1.1 million. That is the number of tokens NOO utilizes per task on Sweetbutch. To put that into perspective for you, the Pi framework requires 2.2 million tokens to achieve worse results. By replacing text serialization with pass-by reference, NOOO avoids stuffing massive, redundant string representations into the context window. It literally cuts token costs in half while simultaneously boosting accuracy.
Evaluating CyberGym L1 vulnerability discovery data, we see NOAA's dominance continue. It hits an 86.8% solve rate, beating major closed-source solutions like OpenAI's Daybreak and Anthropic Glasswing. That makes NOAA the absolute top-scoring open-source agent on this rigorous cybersecurity benchmark.
Finally, let's look at the ARC AGI3 results, which test interactive reasoning in completely unfamiliar environments. By using NOAA's architecture, researchers were able to compress a massive, complex, multi-agent world model system into a single agent with just a one-page skill. And despite this massive simplification, it still significantly advanced the benchmark score cost Pareto frontier.
And tying it all back to memory, the empirical correlation is undeniable here. Active engagement with that ACTR memory architecture directly tracks with successful task completion. Winning games average 1.63 deliberate memory recalls and nearly 2 memory writes for every single decision the agent makes. The agent isn't just blindly guessing, it is heavily utilizing its native state management to solve complex problems.
We've seen how treating an agent as a native Python object drastically improves type safety, slashes your token limits, and boosts benchmark scores straight across the board. So I want to leave you with a final, provocative thought to consider today. If frontier models already inherently understand object-oriented programming with near-perfect fluency, will native code runtimes like NOOA eventually render all disjointed prompt scaffolding and text-based tool calling completely obsolete? Looking at this data, it certainly seems like that's exactly where we're heading.